so today we are going to show you how to fold your leggings or your yoga pants. Both fold the same. And I'm going to show a few different ways that you can use this method, the KonMari method, to differentiate between what you have. Because these items, it's pretty obvious which ones they are. But sometimes we have items that have other distinct characteristics that we want to choose. And so this is the basic way most people do it. Now for the KonMari method, and then you fold in the crotch area, and then the leg to waist, and then just to fold it into three, and that can work if you have a taller drawer, or if you have a shorter drawer, you can turn it into four, which would be just kind of the way you used to do it, with the crotch folded in instead, and one extra fold. Both work, both stand up on their own, depending on the height of your drawer or your shelf. These will work wonderful. What happens when I have an item, or many similar items, in color, in shape and size, but there's a detail that I want to be able to see when I open that drawer, find what I want without having to spend a pile of time? You could fold it. So that is why we do that. See, just a little fold. And then 1, 2, 3. But if I was to put this in the drawer like this, you don't see which one it is with 4 more beside it exactly the same. I could choose to go one more fold, and that would work, and it would still be KonMari method. It would take up less space for height, but it'd be thicker, but it could work, and then I could see what I have. It'd be the way you would normally fold it before, except for folding in that crotch area, and then folding it sideways. And this way, you can see the item, what it is, very easily once it's beside any other ones. You can see all the different details. So the waistband on my yoga pants would be showing, because that is my detail that is different about these compared to my other yoga pants. Now don't forget, again, and you can fold them this way, so I can tell that's a shorter, smaller one. This is a bigger one. Since I have that extra waistband, this is the thick waist, so the waistband is technically here, and it's a fold over waist, so this would be maternity pants would work this way, and just some of the yoga pants. So this would work for maternity pants and yoga pants. And then I would give this that 3 folds, just because it has that extra height for the waist, and then give it the fold sideways. And I would be able to tell. And this is, the maternity. Another example of this is the drawstring waist. Tuck that crotch area in. Ankle to waistband. You do it the 3 times like KonMari says, Marie Kondo. But then you can do the extra fold, so you will know that these are the drawstring. You can do them. They have that waistband there. What happens when I have a detail? And that's the difference. So I would fold them a little bit differently. So I'm going to do it, instead of folding over this way and hiding that detail inside of the folds, I'm actually going to fold it the opposite way with that detail facing down. This is going to actually stick out just a little bit further than your waistband. which is the opposite of what we would normally do. Fold in the crotch. We're going to go from this area up once and twice. So when I stand it up, you can see that this detail of the laces is showing. And when I look in the drawer, that will help me see this has nothing, this has that detail. So that is how you can tell at first glance when you open your drawer which one's which. Another one, this is netting. This is, breathable fabric for when I'm working at. Again, that detail, I want to be able to see that. So when I look in the drawer and I want that item, that product, it's clearly visible. So instead of putting the ankle to the top and then having that detail hidden, top the waistband to the ankle and not going quite past it. Make sure you're always smooth. How am I going to be able to see this the best? There we go. That, and then flip it. There we go. So if I don't want it doesn't matter if the ankle's showing or not, and that it is folded a little different, the waistband's not showing. So see, you can tell the kind of the netting part here now. You can see through it. When I give you a close-up, you can tell the difference of this is the waistband fabric difference. This is the fabric that has the detail on the leg that has the lacing. And this one is the fabric that you can see through. It's breathable for when I'm doing my workouts. It's folded, braided. Just by looking at these items that are folded the KonMari way, all of the differences in the fabric, waistbands, colors, textures, and any significant details that are showing off detail for me to be able to go to the drawer and see exactly what I have and grab what I need when I need it.